I know this is a lengthy video, but do watch it because there is a panda park hidden somewhere. So let's check out the ambience of it now. So there are 3 seating areas. One is on the outside. So this is the other area on the outside. Here you can come and sit and you can work. If you're having work from home, you can work here on your laptop, or you can come with someone and come on a nice date. So this is mainly for couples, for work from home, or if you're coming solo and you would just like to stay away from all the noise and just sit alone and pace, then this is a really nice area for that. And if you're coming with your friends, then let me show you the inside area. And this is the second area. Here you also have beds. You can also sit here. This is majorly for your friends and families, and it's more of like, you know, a nice hippie place with some great art. The paintings here are beautiful, and you know, you can see the passion in the art itself. And they have beds here, and these are the tables on the side. You can also play some chess, some Uno, Jenga. They have some games as well. And here they make the coffee. So if you are coming here to chill with your friends, so this is like a nice place, and you can just chill out here and enjoy the coffee and the food and play with your friends. So guys, this is the third area which they have. I'm gonna show this to you now. One interesting thing that I found here is this. So this area, they have a piano, a guitar, and lots of speakers, beautiful lights. And the best part is, if you are someone who is very talented, unlike me, and can play some instruments, you should come here and show your talent. You can actually do that. And they have lots of events as well, open mics. And I like the fact that, you know, they are kind of promoting the local talent and the culture by giving out the space for everyone. They have like huge beds with nice table, and they have a great painting which actually has a message in it. If you're able to decode it, then let me know in the comments below. And if you have not, let me tell you. So this is about, you know, a balance between our heart and our mind. You know, most of the times we are confused between what to do, what not to do. Should we think from our brain? Should we go the logical way, or should we go by our emotion? So this is like a beautifully, you know, it's beautifully put into an art form in this painting, as you can see. And then there are tables as well. And apart from that, they have these beautiful boho paintings, you know. These are really fun to look at. All the hippie vibes I'm getting here. So this is like, I'm wondering, am I in Vijayawada or in Goa? So if you want to transport yourself out of the city, you should definitely visit this place. Let's check out the food now. So guys, I have all the food on my table, and I'm so happy to see such beautiful colors and such, you know, vibrant varieties of food. So I'm really looking forward to tasting it all. So let me tell you what everything is. So this is the white and black mocktail, and if you notice here that, you know, these both are actually not even mixed. So I don't know, like they have some sort of secret here that they do this with, and it's really interesting to look at. And apart from that, this sandwich, this is the coleslaw sandwich with some fries. Usually I've eaten this, like, you know, in a cold manner, like a normal sandwich, but this is the first time I'm seeing it grilled. So I am actually, you know, I'll just try it right away. I don't want to wait for it because it's really hot right now. So yeah, I would highly recommend this. And talking about the pricing, this is priced at 200 rupees, which seems like a good deal because, you know, it comes with complimentary fries as well. And of course I love the fries, so I'm gonna have them as well. So this sandwich has some lots of cabbage, some carrots, some cilantro, and some mayonnaise as well. So it's really, you know, unique and different from our usual cheese grill sandwiches. So it's a good try, like, you know, you should give it a try. So moving on to the next dish, this is the pesto pasta, And you know guys, like it's really not easy to get good pesto pasta in Vijayawada. Like I've been looking for it from a very long time, and recently places have come up with it. So I'm really happy that they have this on their menu, and it looks really well, and it's served with garlic bread as well. So let's give this a try now. Yum. I can feel the basil, and it is really authentic. It's not really mixed with a lot of other sauces like the white sauces. So you know, you can taste the original pesto sauce in this. We have this chocolate waffle which has Nutella toppings, and it's loaded with caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, and some white chocolate sauce and chocolate chips. Then you have some fruits as well, you know, to just balance the flavors. And that you have strawberries, bananas, dragon fruits. It looks beautiful, and this is really tasty as well. And then we have chocolate brownie. We have chocolate brownie shake for all the brownie lovers like me. And then moving on to the pasta, we have this white sauce pasta, which is the alfunghi pasta. This is really cheesy and nice. So if you are someone who likes white sauce pastas, you should definitely give it a try. The pastas, I'm gonna hop on to the desserts because I can't really wait anymore to give this a try. So this is like Devil's Own. I think it has Nutella in it, and this looks so chocolatey and yummy, and I can't wait to give it a try now. Wow, this is so good. So also the price of this pizza is 250 rupees, and it's yum. It has a nice taste of the sauce, the tandoori sauce, and the paneer is actually grilled. You can actually feel that, and it's cheesy and loaded with vegetables. So you should give it a try for sure. So after trying all of these, I'm ending my meal with the desserts. So I'm having this waffle which is made with chocolate. Like this is a chocolate waffle, and it's topped with some Nutella and fruits as already mentioned before, and I'm gonna give it a try now. So this is really chocolatey, and the fruits actually balance the flavors. I just love the combination of strawberry with that classic combination. So the waffles here are really nice. They're fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. And now moving on to the pancakes. So this is like a normal pancake, but topped with lots of Nutella, chocolate chips, and strawberry again. So yummy. Really amazing. The best way to end my meal today. So guys, this was my honest review about all the items here, and I would highly recommend trying out the waffles, the sandwiches, the pizza, the coleslaw sandwich, and along with it definitely the pasta. It's a surprise for you all. Panda Perks is back, so you get a 25% off here if you are a follower of Panda Reviews, and you also have to follow the Triple Tree Cafe. I'll leave the details below. So you get a 25% off. And this place is located in Bharati Nagar behind Novotel, 4th lane from Novotel. I will drop the map pin, so you can follow that as well. And the timings here are 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. So do come here with your friends and give it a try, and let me know what were your favorite dishes. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay tuned and keep following Panda Reviews for more such reviews and new place alerts in Vijayawada. So I am back, and I have got the person who runs this cafe, and I'm gonna introduce you with him. His name is Naveen, and he's the person behind this beautiful cafe that you are seeing. So let's ask him what this really is. Hi Naveen.
Hi Seema.
I am so happy that I got to know about your place, and thank you so much for showing me around and answering all my questions and helping my viewers also with it. So can you please tell me what this is like?
Yeah. Though it looks like a chemical apparatus, this is what we call a siphon coffee. So since this is a cafe, right, we've got types of coffees. We've got like the normal espresso machine coffee, and we've got French press, and this one is called siphon. Siphon coffee is nothing but a vacuum coffee, so it uses the difference in pressure, and then it brews coffee with that difference in pressure. So the whole set. So what happens is this is the burner where this acts as a heat source, and this is where we have the water which boils, and then it raises up to this chamber where we put the coffee in, and then after about a couple of minutes you get the very tasty brewed coffee here. So
Wow.
yeah,
That sounds good. Now I'm really excited to see this.
definitely. So first I pour hot water in. So we use hot water just because it's faster to brew the coffee, and you see this gooseneck kettle, so that it's safe for us to actually pour in the hot water without pouring it onto the sides or anywhere. So just to give you guys an overview, so this whole process takes about hardly 5 minutes, and this serves about 3 cups of coffee, right? And the pricing is also on the same line. So each cup of coffee we charge about 150 bucks, and this along with the experience you get the whole set for about 500 bucks. So it serves 3 coffees. So
So all you chemistry lovers and coffee lovers, if you have missed some experiences in your school, then you can try this out. This is so much fun to even look at and do.
we put the upper chamber back into this spot and tightly seal this. And we let the heat do its work. So after about a minute, when the water is properly hot, you can see the water moving from here to the upper chamber. And the one which acted as a stand before, this one right now will be our lid. So I'll take this out so that you could see all of that hot water. And this is the exact temperature that we make coffee, right? Even in the espresso machines, the bigger machines that we have, the coffee runs between 85 degrees to 100 degrees centigrade. The water in the boiler, it is between 85 to 100 degrees centigrade. So this is also the water, it is not evaporating, but it is to that point. That's why it's going to the upper chamber. Now I put the coffee powder in, so it slowly goes in. This is our whole coffee powder, and then I take the spatula and then I keep turning this in. And one more beauty of this siphon coffee is that the more time you let it stay in the upper chamber, the more strong the coffee gets. So if I kind of leave it there for about a minute, it's going to be good, medium level coffee. And if I leave it there for about 2 minutes, that will be strong coffee. And it's up to us to control. So now once I put the coffee in, I'm going to change or play around with the heat source, just so that it's not too hot and it gets cooled down, it gets heated up, the steam turns into water, water turns into steam, it plays around. We take it out, we take the heat source out, we close it off with this, and now it's gone. There was a difference in pressure and the water went up. Now that there was no heat source, the pressure difference got back to normal, and now the water is now coming back to the original chamber that we have here. And the most beautiful part in this is that the coffee stays up in there. None of the coffee beans come down. So it's a filtered coffee that you have in the bottom chamber. So once all of that water comes down, I just take this out, put it somewhere, and I have perfect. Carefully remove this. This is glass end of day, so I have to be very careful with it. And I use it as a stand now. I just put it in there, it acts as a stand. Set it aside, and there I have my black coffee. This is our siphon.
I'm excited to try.
So I've got 2 cups for us here. So we've got the milk which we previously had. This is a froth milk. So I'm going to give it to you, Seema, so you can try it yourself. So I'm going to pour some black coffee for you and me, and I like it black, so I'll take the black one. And yeah, this, which was a stand, is now a holder, so I can directly pour it from here. Right, and that's one portion. And there's another. And there will be one more portion. So each siphon coffee, each serving gives us 3 coffees, 3 black siphon coffees, and then we give you 3 cups of this froth milk. So if someone like Seema, who's not into black coffee, then they can have this with milk. And me being a black coffee person, I have it black.
Wow, this is amazing, and this is probably one of the best and fun coffees that I've tried. You know, I really enjoyed the whole process, and the taste is so good, and you can actually make it stronger or lighter based on your needs. So, if you and your friends are coffee lovers, definitely give this a try. Hi, so what are you trying here today?
Today I'm trying classic veg burger.
Classic veg burger. All right, let me know how it tastes after you have tried it.
And actually it's really nice. It's so crispy and fries are really good.
Nice.
I enjoyed it, and we have games here.
Yeah, I can see like, you guys are like playing chess. Are you making good use of the games? So, are you all having a nice time here today?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a perfect weekend, right? So it's the best place for hangout.
Okay.
Really say that. Because I'm taking mojito
Okay.
today, so it's good.
Okay.
The ambience is good.
True. I agree on that.
So sitting is really nice here. We have sea. It's really nice.
Okay. Are you all coming here for the first time?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Will you all be coming here again? Definitely. Would you recommend this to all the viewers?
Yes. It's the best place to hang out.
All right.
Place for hangout.
Nice.
It's a good place.
Nice. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So now let's speak to some of the customers here. So hi. This is Seema from Panda Reviews.
Yeah.
Hi. So I wanted to know what are you having here and what do you like here? Can I see?
Yeah, I'm having hazelnut and I love this atmosphere first of all.
Okay.
ఎప్పుడైతే నేను ఉంటాను అలోన్గా ఫీల్ అవుతానో ఐల్ బీ హియర్ అన్నమాట. నాకు ఇక్కడ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇష్టం. మెయిన్లీ ఫుడ్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. మెయిన్లీ నేను కాఫీ కోసం ఇక్కడికి వస్తాను. వన్ థింగ్ కాఫీస్లో హ్యాజల్నట్ అంటే చాలా చాలా ఇష్టము. ఇట్ అది ఒక స్ట్రెస్ రిలీఫ్ అనమాట నాకు. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ పన్నీర్ క్రీమీ పిజ్జా అని అది ఎక్సలెంట్ దాని తర్వాత. సో ఈ రెండింటి కోసం వెళ్ళి నేను ఇక్కడికి వస్తాను.
Alright guys, that was the entire review of the Trippy Tree Cafe TTC, the whole ambience, the food, the vibes, the pricing. I've given you all the details. So do give it a try, visit it, and also avail the Panda perks here, which are valid from 11 to at least up to 15th, and if it will be extended, I will keep you updated. So give this a try and let me know in comments. And also let me know what are your favorite dishes, and keep following Panda Reviews for more new place alerts and reviews. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe this, and do follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates at Panda Reviews. Thank you so much.